Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So on this segment I'm going to show you a tip that will make you look younger. So this is something that you should be doing every single day. So let me show you. Okay, so in this video you will need ice cubes and you will need a basin. So what you do is you put the ice cubes inside the basin and then you add water to it. Let me show you. The concept of cold therapy to the skin is not a new thing. It's in fact been used over the centuries by women all over the world. There are many benefits to applying ice water to the skin, such as decreasing inflammation and reducing puffiness. It also improves the appearance of the skin tone while minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores and removing superficial wrinkles. Oh my goodness. Using ice water also boosts circulation and brings forth a radiant complexion. You can also add different ingredients to the ice water for it to become more therapeutic. For example, you can add essential oils such as rose oil, aloe vera, and cucumbers. Doing this daily for 1 minute a day for starters prevents premature aging and leaves your skin glowing. If you want to see results as quick as possible, you have to be consistent in your ice water journey, and I wish you all the best. Thank you. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share.